has no teeth. Today we're gonna be reviewing the 10-star Lightning McQueen covered in mud edition on the bottom. See? Okay. Wait, where's his teeth? In the Cars 3 movie, did he lose his teeth during the mud fight or something with Critter? No, I didn't watch the third movie, and this is not my car. This is my little brother's car. He has no teeth! Oh my god! Also, I'm gonna be uploading a video where I was at school. By the way, I'm not in school anymore because I went home to do my homework, which I will show later. I survived middle school. That's all the notes for me. Schedules, review, read 30 minutes. I already did that. I need to do my week 1 day 3 thing. Did this already. Notes. Oh, that's my note stuff. Homework. This is homework. I gotta do it now. Also homework.